Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, At Home with Chelle, and to one of my favourite videos to film of the entire year, and that is my Christmas Decorate With Me 2023. I'm super excited to film this. Honestly, I love it. You can probably see that I've got the main Christmas tree up behind me here. Nick and I put it up a couple of nights ago because whenever I do it I get absolutely covered in all of the flocking because it's a flocked tree. So got that up, and then he also helped me put the lights on because it's quite tall. I can't get to the top very well, so yeah, he was kind of going round and then I was following him, kind of pushing all the lights in, because yeah, that's done. And I did say if I ever get another tree I'll probably get a pre-lit one because I find doing the lights is the hardest thing. Yeah, so that's all done, and then today I'm going to get on and decorate it. So I'm going for a white, and it's kind of like a burgundy theme, so I think that will look really nice in here. I'll show you how I decorate the tree. I've been decorating trees obviously for quite a while now, and I feel like I'm quite an expert when it comes to decorating the trees, in which order to do things. Hopefully this video is useful, gives you a little bit of inspiration, and you enjoy watching it as much as I enjoy filming it. If you do, then please do give it a thumbs up, and if you are new and you like my channel, then I would love for you to subscribe. I've got all of the Christmas decorations for the tree out of the garage, so the first thing that I'm going to do is lay it all out on the floor and put it into categories, because then it's much easier to put onto the tree. But first things first, I'm going to make it all cozy in here, so I'm going to put the fire on and then choose a Christmas film. So I couldn't really think what Christmas film to watch, and then I thought, you know what, I always watch The Holiday. I just feel like I haven't watched it this year yet, so I'm going to pop The Holiday on in the background whilst I'm decorating the tree to really get into the festive spirit, and then I'm also going to pop some essential oils in my diffuser. I think I'm going to go for Highland Escape because I love this one. I've started out by laying all of the picks, the flowers, and the giant baubles out. I'll do the other baubles later because I just need space to work with. I don't want to tread on them or smash any of them. The reason I do this is because I always put these in the tree first. These tree picks, it's definitely worth getting because they really fill out the tree. If you've got any gaps or anything in the tree, then using these just help fill those gaps and just create a nice bit of texture to the tree. So most of these ones here are from the range, and then the flowers I've got either from Home Bargains or Wilko's. I started at the top of the tree using the white eucalyptus to create a little bit of a tree topper. I then move on to the big flowers, which I've basically pulled off the stem and placed it into the tree, and then I follow that with some of the berry tree pricks to create some texture to the top of the tree.
Hurry, hurry, Mama's looking worried. Will the pie be ready?
Next I added in the white flowers, and when I do add the flowers I add them in triangles, if that makes sense. Hopefully you'll see what I mean as I decorate the tree. And then when I add the big red berries, I add these so they look like they're almost like cascading down the tree, creating a garland effect, just kind of tucking them in as I do so.
Everyone wants home for Christmas. No matter if it's near or far.
These berries make a real impact in the tree, and adding these as well as the flowers and the picks means that your tree can actually look quite full without having to add lots of decorations. I then carried on filling in the gaps around the top half of the tree with the berry picks.
Everybody's welcome, the rich and the poor. Kids play on the outside in the newly fallen snow, while the grown-ups all huddle up inside away from the blistering cold. Soon turn to
I added in some more red flowers, which was basically a poinsettia bunch, which I just pulled apart to use the individual flowers, as it works out much cheaper doing it like that. And then added some more white flowers, again continuing to work in triangles.
no matter if it's near or far. Yeah, everyone wants home for Christmas.
With all the picks and flowers in the tree, it was time to add in the giant baubles, and I placed these into the tree branches, so quite deep into the tree, pushing them in so they create a lot of depth and they do feel like a real statement too.
Let's make a snowman. That's something even the grown-ups can. The carrot forest knows. Let's call him Frosty. He'll be our friend. What does it matter if it's all pretend? Everyone wants home for Christmas. No matter if it's near or far. Everyone wants home for Christmas.
Once all the large baubles were in, I added a few more picks in the gaps at the bottom and a couple of flowers.
Everyone wants home for Christmas. Yeah. No matter if it's near.
I finished putting all of the giant baubles, the flowers, the picks and everything on the tree. So what I'm going to do now is get all of the baubles out and put them into the tree. But yeah, how pretty does it look? You can see what I mean with how the flowers and the picks and everything just really fill the tree out already before I've even put any of the other decorations on. I keep all of my baubles in these boxes. I got this one from Amazon. I've just got some red new editions here that I picked up, and then I got this bauble box as well from, I think I got this one from Home Bargains. Honestly, I would definitely recommend getting yourself a bauble box, because I think it was a couple of years ago I didn't have one, and then I got my baubles out of the garage and loads of them are just smashed to pieces. So yeah, since I've been using these I haven't had any accidents. So yeah, I'm just going to get all of these out now, put them in order so I can see like the biggest ones and the smallest ones, because then I'll start with the biggest ones first and then finish off with the smaller, more intricate, pretty ones. These are the baubles that are going on the tree, so I've put the slightly bigger ones here, then the medium ones, I've got the red baubles there, and then at the front here I've just got, I suppose, like the more unusual shaped ones or the pretty ones, and then I will put those on last.
A Christmas of our own. Let's forget about the world outside and disconnect our telephone. A Christmas of our own, with no big choir singing, caroling, and church bells ringing. Let's just have a Christmas of our own. We'll decorate our little Christmas tree
I just love it when we're together.
with garlands, bows, and ribbons
It's as pretty as can be.
Oh, so pretty.
We'll make ourselves some gingerbread and drink some spiced mulled wine. Now doesn't that sound more than just fine? Let's have.
Lastly, I add in the special or the different shaped baubles to finish off the tree.
Let's forget about the world outside.
So there we have it, the tree itself is done, but there is flocking everywhere, so I needed to vacuum that up before I did anything else.
And if Santa Claus comes around, we'll tell him to skip to the very next town. 'Cause we don't need no big choir singing, caroling, and church bells ringing.
I have these cute little light up present boxes that I put under the tree. I think these were around £20 from in the range, and then I'll also add some white present bags, some paper trees, and then I've got some hat boxes, but I do need to get some red ribbon for them. Yeah, so I just kind of put that all around the bottom just to create a bit of look and hide the skirt tree because it is a little bit small. That's the tree done, and I'm really happy with how it looks. So now I need to make the rest of the room all festive, and I'm going to start with the garland on the media unit. So I place the garland behind the TV. Our TV's on like a bracket that can come out, and then I attached a battery pack of warm lights followed by some eucalyptus stems, which I'd basically just cut. And then lastly I added some mini baubles, although on reflection I do feel like maybe I need a little bit of red to tie it back in with the tree, so I might add a couple of mini burgundy type baubles afterwards.
Children playing in the snow, a merry game they play, chasing each other to and fro, laughing all the way. Oh, what a jolly time to have the whole family here for a few.
Next I'm going to clear and clean the unit, as this is where I'm going to display my little Christmas village.
It'll be another year when Christmas has gone. It actually was on a Christmas day.
I've just got all of the little Lemex villages out now. So we've got a couple of new ones this year. What did I get this year? I got the Brews and Books, that's the new one this year. And then I got this Santa photo shoot. What we try and do is just basically add one to our little collection every single year, because it's just such a nice little corner to have in the living room of all the villages. So yeah, I've got them all out now, put the batteries in to make sure they all light up, and then I'm basically just going to play around and display them in the right way.
It'll be another year when Christmas has gone. When Christmas has gone. When Christmas has gone.
I love this little display of the Christmas village. This year I also added in the street lamps, and I think it just looks lovely. Arabella loves it too.
To have the whole family here for a few days of love and grace. But when Christmas has gone, it'll be another year
Later in the evening I finished the room off firstly by cleaning the table, and then I added on some candles and a couple of decorative stags. I got this electric lighter recently from Amazon. Honestly, it's so cool. I'll link it down below if you're interested. You just charge it via USB, so you never have to re-gas it or anything. It's so cool, honestly. I absolutely love it, especially for this time of year and lighting all of the candles. I'm feeling all cozy. I bought this giant candle from TK Maxx recently and it smells gorgeous.
Christmas, and maybe one so lost can finally find a home. Please keep your hopes.
I have a couple of festive cushions and a throw to add to the sofa too.
Maybe all the fire will cease. Please keep your hopes up for Christmas. That maybe this whole world can finally be at peace. I believe we can if we just believe we can. And I believe we must find a way to build some trust. And you know
I vacuumed everywhere and now the living room is clean and all decorated, ready for Christmas. I just love how festive and cozy it feels. Perfect to sit and watch lots of Christmas movies and drink hot chocolates. I cannot wait.
be so.
I really hope you enjoyed this festive Decorate With Me video. As always, thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon. Bye!
I believe we can if we just